Guys, so I watched this movie. It's called Little Brothers. So it came out the 26th of June, and it was very fun movie and funny, and I really enjoyed it. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. So Rad is the real estate agent, which is John Cena. Marcus is a so-called little brother that Rad meets in his childhood, and then Stewart is the brother of John Cena, and then Mia is the real estate assistant of Rad. Mia was replying to Marcus's messages all the time. So Marcus wanted to see John Cena again, which is Rad. And Rad didn't know anything about it, but then Mia, his assistant, was like replying to the emails every time that Marcus was sending. So Marcus decided one day he's gonna leave the home that he was at all the time. And then he just drove off. But then he decided to go make an accident, and Rad didn't know that he's coming. And then afterwards, Rad heard that he was in hospital because Marcus gave Rad's number. Then Rad and his wife decided to go to hospital, but Rad's wife really liked Marcus a lot because Rad's wife found Marcus very sweet, and funny and stuff like that. And then John Cena said, "But I didn't see you for a long time. And how did you get my number and how did you contact me?" And then he said, "No, but I was getting emails from you all the time." Not knowing that it was Mia all the time, the assistant that was replying to the emails all the time. And then his wife was like, "But do you have another brother or what?" And then he was saying, "No, he's my charity brother from our young days, and I met him in my young days and stuff like that." And then John Cena and his wife decided they're gonna now take him to their house when he was discharged, Marcus. And then he catched on a whole lot of nonsense. He get into the car first. He was about to get into the car, and then he went to go make scratches on John Cena's new Porsche that he bought him. Imagine, John Cena was getting mad. And then he went to go make quiche for the family, and then he almost burnt John Cena's house down. And John Cena was getting upset already because John Cena was saying, "This one is gonna be too much for my head." And he was working on John Cena's nerves. And Marcus was just thinking now he's doing nothing wrong. He's not right in his head, man. So now he's just doing everything that is he don't know what he's doing, he's just doing. And he's thinking now he's just doing everything right and stuff like that. And John Cena's thinking now, why must I keep you here and all this drama because it's too much for me. Then the next morning, John Cena thought no, he's going to let his wife take Marcus with him apparently. With her. And then no, the plans changed, and then John Cena had to take Marcus with him, but he had the show that he was so into, and he was seeing to it was a big show for John Cena apparently. So they went there, but then John Cena decided no, Marcus is gonna sit in the car now. And then he went up and he went to go do the show. But then Marcus ended up in the show. Marcus went to go pee in the car. Imagine, and outside the car, in the open. How do you do that, Marcus? Because he can't now walk. He was in an accident and stuff like that. And then the car drove the Porsche's door off, and then John Cena had to run out because somebody was telling John Cena, "Downstairs, your brother is peeing in the open there." And apparently there was an accident with your car and a whole lot of drama, and John Cena is just getting fumed there. He's just getting very angry. Then everybody runs down, and then Marcus also ends up in the movie because of all the drama that he's causing. And then apparently the people actually liked it because they found it also funny, like the people's watching the show. And then he was also now always part of the shows that John Cena was doing because the people like it. Because they do shows about what people like. So Marcus made him very famous for that, basically, because people was finding that John Cena is a loving brother to Marcus, and they didn't know that they have a brother, a little brother, and all this drama. But Marcus is his so-called brother, his charity brother, they say. Then they sent Marcus to the hospital because now he got sick or something like that. And then he was discharged, and then Rad actually had to go to some event where his brother was some like donation event, something like that. And then Rad's brother, big brother, didn't tell Rad that he's going to sell his house, and Rad was like very upset, like, and then obviously now Stewart is somebody he want to be in the limelight, so he apparently gave the biggest donation apparently, and he wanted to like be on the billboard there, like on the board where they were showing that how much money he gave and all this drama. And then they go to Stewart's house, and then John Cena and Stewart, they were like in the jacuzzi, and they were just like talking about how they're going to sell the house. And then they had the event by not by John Cena's house, by Rad's house. And then they were like showing the house and stuff like that. But then John Cena was getting jealous. John Cena was thinking that Marcus and Stewart was against him, like they were going to like gang up against him and stuff like that, or do something behind his back or something like that. And then John Cena decided he's gonna run to his big brother and Marcus, and then he ran into his big brother, and his big brother fell over the fence, and then the big brother ended up in hospital, and then the big brother couldn't speak properly afterwards. And then there was another like scene, basically like a show or something like that. And then like he had to explain that he's a very good brother and that. And then like, but before by the house he actually cut Marcus off basically, so Marcus went back to the home that time. And then by the show he had to now say that he's a good brother and all this drama, but then he said, no, I'm not a good brother, I just cut off my brother and all that drama. And then he drove off with Mia, and they went to the home, and then he went to go confront for Marcus and say sorry to him and all that drama. And then he said, come back with me, I'm very sorry that I actually said all those things at my brother's house and what I did, and look what I did to my big brother Evans. And then like he was just feeling very bad of what he did, and he just wanted to apologize for everything. And then they reunited again, and it just ended up very nice.